Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about 5 ways you can use Lightroom presets. So I recently just dropped a preset pack. If you want to go download it, go buy it, go shop it. It's going to be 40% off, but other than that, let's get right in the video. So number one is consistency. So any part of a photographer's work is you want to stay consistent. You want the same type of style, and a great way to do that, besides just taking photos, is how you edit the photos and how you upload the photos. Now, sometimes it doesn't always have to be advanced. It doesn't always have to look like you edited it, but it's enough where sudden changes are, but it's enough that people can tell what your look is and what really defines you. And a great example of this, I think, is Ill Concept. I really like Concept's work. Um, the third thing is learning and adjusting. So when you download a preset, you can learn. You can look at what somebody has already done, and you can kind of change uh, how that looks, how it affects things a lot easier. And when something's already edited with a preset, you can easily tell what changes things. So if I were to um, change like something on the tone curve or the HSL sliders, you would easily be able to tell what that changes without changing. You would definitely change the photo and how it looks, but it's a great way to start learning more of Lightroom. The fourth thing, which I find the most useful, is copying settings and then pasting these settings into different photos. And this just makes your editing workflow a lot easier. I know this isn't... the white ones are usually really difficult to do, but creating similar flowing images on like a set of photos would probably be like 15 photos, maybe 5 photos, 5 to 15 photos from a single shoot. And once you use a consistent style, it makes batch editing so much more easy. And the fifth reason is you kind of evolve your style as you go, and as you edit. And even if you do stray away from the presets, you will start to learn what looks good and what doesn't for your eye. And I think that's really important for any photographer to kind of diversify themselves. And I think that's very important for any photographer to differentiate themselves from other people, other photographers. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, and also go check out my preset pack. You can go buy it down below. It's 40% off at, I believe, $7 to $8. Probably $7.99, I think, and $7.49 actually, or something. 40% off. Go check it out, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. There's also more playlists that you can check out for Lightroom presets, how to edit, and more stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching again. Later.